Hi, I'm Nick Beglaris here at booth 929. We're at PPDS, Philips booth, and we're showing you our Trade Acts Agreement, TAA compliant products. First is our X line, our tiled LCD video wall product line that is Trade Agreements Act compliant, TAA, which means it is authorized to be sold into the federal government. Obviously, we're showing some slides of a military installation, so that's a lot of the users that we find for this kind of a product. We are now certified, quantum certified with Extron, so that's our processing that we're using today. We have a whole new series of TAA compliant products coming out. We're going to have a 43-inch, then a 55-inch, 65-inch, 75-inch, 86-inch, and I forgot to mention 50-inch. So of course those are all 24/7. There's no SoC, no Wi-Fi, so they're very secure. So there's no communication out from the display itself, which is very important, obviously, in the federal government space, particularly in the military and critical mission critical rooms. So that's what we're showcasing here at booth 929 for Philips. And you can find out more information about all of these displays on our website. Just go to ppds.com.